Who does not love momos, but have you even thought about its nutritional values? Those delightful dumplings originating from the Himalayan region have carved a niche as a popular snack option around the world. Soft, fluffy, and often stuffed with a variety of fillings such as vegetables, chicken, or pork, momos are not just a treat for the taste buds, but also come with an interesting nutritional profile. One of the most appealing aspects of momos is their versatility. They are typically made from wheat flour, offering a source of carbohydrates essential for energy. Depending on the filling, momos can provide a balanced mix of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. For instance, vegetable momos can be packed with nutrients from carrots, cabbage, and peas, while chicken or pork momos contribute to protein intake, aiding in muscle repair and growth. However, it's important to consider the method of cooking, as it significantly affects their nutritional value. Steamed momos are a healthier option compared to fried ones, retaining more nutrients while avoiding excessive oils. The steaming process helps keep the dumplings moist and flavorful without the added fat that frying brings. On the flip side, while momos can be a nutritious snack, they also come with their pros and cons. One downside is that store-bought or restaurant momos might contain preservatives or excessive sodium, which can be detrimental to health if consumed frequently. Similarly, the dough can add to the calorie count, particularly if you're watching your weight or carbohydrate intake. Another consideration is portion control. Momos can be incredibly satisfying, leading many to indulge beyond recommended serving sizes. This can contribute to unintentional calorie intake, particularly when served with rich, spicy dipping sauces. Therefore, balance is key to enjoying momos without compromising on health. In conclusion, momos can serve as a scrumptious and nutritious snack option if prepared with care and moderation in mind. By opting for steamed varieties and being mindful of fillings and portion sizes, you can savor this delectable dish while reaping potential health benefits. Why not enjoy them with a side of fresh chutney to enhance the experience? Dive into the world of momos and explore the rich flavors they offer, all while keeping nutrition in the spotlight.